All right, so today we're going to talk about the TLC spotter that Sorbtech has designed. We're going to show you how to use it and just kind of show you its counterpart as well. So this TLC spotter is designed primarily for our 2.5 by 7.5 plates. And then this spotter, which is also a ruler, is designed for our larger 20 by 20 plates. So, first thing we have is our sample mix, our sample solution. We're going to take one of these TLC plates out, spot our plate with our spotter, and I'll show you how to do that. And then we're going to run it in our Sorbtech rocket, and we'll observe the results. So we got our pack of plates here. Just going to go ahead and open those up. We've got our 2.5 by 7.5 plate. And on the back, we've got two different indentations. We've got this indentation and that indentation. This one you put on here so you can put a line right on the plate. And that's going to be where our spots will go. And then you go to the second line, and that is going to line up perfectly, so that way you get perfectly spotted plates every time. So you just kind of slide that in there. We got our sample solution. Now we have capillary tubes that are available, or if you're doing your own custom spotter, we've got that too. And you're just going to put it in each of the holes. Okay. And you're going to see how well that spot's on there. We're going to take our solvent and cap off the rocket. For most solvents, it's about 1 milliliter of solvent. We're going to put that in the little reservoir right here. Okay. Close that up. Close this guy up. All right. I'm going to take our TLC spotter or TLC plate after we dry it off a little bit. Just for this portion, we're going to actually dry it with a little heat. It's crucial to make sure your spots are dry on your TLC plate. Otherwise, you can have a lot of streaking or poorly developed spots. And you don't want to stick that in there right after you dry it off if you're using a heat gun, because it will evaporate some of the solvent as well. So it's cool enough. We'll just pop that into the little trough here, cap it off, and we're going to let that plate develop. All right, so our plate has now developed. We just pull it off the rocket. We're going to spot our top so that way we know exactly where our solvent line was. And we can see, we'll actually dry it just so you can kind of see a little bit better. How well developed that is. And with this, you can get consistent results every time, with consistent spot sizes as well. One of the other things that's on here is a QR code, so that it'll take you right to our product page, so you can easily reorder anything that you might need, whether it be spotters, whether it be a rocket, whether it be some of our silica or our TLC plates.